Welcome, everyone, and thanks for tuning in. Today, we'll be learning how to disable notifications in the Financial Times app on your phone. If you're tired of constant alerts and prefer to read the news on your own schedule, first, open the Financial Times app on your mobile device. Next, look at the top left corner of the screen and tap on the three horizontal lines. Then, from the list of menu options that appear, scroll down until you find the section labeled Notifications. Once you open the Notifications section, you will see a switch or toggle that controls whether notifications are on or off. Finally, tap the switch to turn it off. When it's turned off, the app will stop sending you any alerts or updates, allowing you to browse the news without interruptions. That's all it takes to disable notifications in the Financial Times app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others.